Today we're in Lewistown, Pennsylvania, where a great team has just done a commercial renovation of this space, and they installed a Steller red oak floor.
I'm David with DNA Blossoms. We do a little bit of everything, remodels, flooring jobs, and just kind of keep ourselves busy with different things.
I was wearing a sweater when I was...
I wasn't. I knew it would be warm.
The first step was, well, we got rid of like a whole bunch of different layers of linoleum, and the floor was really crooked. So in a couple places I had to use 1/2-inch plywood to even it out, and then I used tar paper, folded it to different thicknesses, and Lawan to cover it all. And I put adhesive on that before I put that down, and then just prepped it, tried to make it as even as we could, and put a moisture barrier, the 6mm poly, and then the floor went on top.
I'm really happy that we could create such a high quality product that performs well in this renovation environment.
The learning curve is like about that little for the floor like this. It's really fun to put down, and you just kind of, the biggest thing I had to watch out for was not to make lines stagger across all the time. So just kind of mix it up, mix the sizes up, but other than that, it was a breeze. The suction cup made it so easy. I just took a damp towel, wiped over the floor, put the suction cup on, ripped it right up. You know, it was really easy. No nails to deal with.
This install checks all the boxes for me. It's a gorgeous floor, it created jobs in our region, and it was a fun and easy install.
It was just a real fun job.
Yep, lift, 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 lift. There you go.
Wow.
Now hop on it with your heels.
Oh, okay.
And then do the other side. Awesome.
Oh,
And it kind of
nice.
fits nice, so you don't even have to scooch the floor around.
Yeah, wow, that is
So.
impressive.
Or do that WWE thing.
Yeah,
Bam!
I can slam you down.